Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and after selecting one of your chats, click on this plus button at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on one of your videos right away from Gallery section or select More at the bottom right corner and click on Audio between Calendar and Subject. Then just click on your file that you wish to add, in my case this one, and select this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, misclick, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!